Kiara has 8 cups of juice. She pours the juice into 5 glasses. Pouring the same amount of juice into each glass, how many cups of juice are in each glass? Guys, this is a simple division problem. She's dividing 8 by 5 to come up with a fraction. Now, whenever we're going to divide to come up with a fraction, we just do regular old long division. And this isn't even long division. This is just regular old division. You're going to divide the small number into the large number. So we ask ourselves, how many times does 5 go into 8 one whole time? You multiply 1 times 5, and that gives you 5. Subtract 8 minus 5, and that gets me 3. With no other numbers to bring down, 3 becomes my remainder. Now, how do I turn this guy right here into a fraction? The quotient that we get is going to be our whole number that lives inside of the fraction for your mixed number. The remainder that we get becomes the numerator, and the denominator is what we divided into in the first place. So that becomes over 5. So how many cups of juice are in each glass? 1 3/5 of a cup of juice. And that becomes C.